So first, we have to understand the risks. Now, your assets are as safe as the environment they are kept in. Seeing as cryptocurrencies are mostly kept in a digital medium, you must understand how they could be accessed by unauthorized individuals and how to prevent this from happening. Crypto wallets can be stored in a software environment or a hardware environment. For software wallets, the main concern is that you're online. How can someone hack your wallet, you ask? Hacking it directly, like through the blockchain, is quite impossible. Hence, it is a matter of private information theft. A hacker won't infiltrate your wallet and drain your coins. Rather, he would steal your identity and use it for his personal gain. For example, your credit card is pretty secure. It can only be accessed by you using a PIN code and also has security measures for online purchases. What if someone got a hold of your PIN code? Not so secure anymore, is it? They can clone your card and use it at their expense. The main idea is that you need to take care of your valued belongings, and here you will learn how to secure your digital coins. Basically, your coins themselves are safe in your wallet. The way that they're compromised is if your private key falls into the wrong hands. You must secure, backup, and encrypt your wallet to ensure maximum security. So click on the next lesson and let's see how you can begin doing that.
If you're looking for personal guidance, become a member of Read BTC's great community and step into the expert zone. This will allow you to have the skills of an expert at your fingertips. And it's only $49 a month. So what are you waiting for? Start learning today. Because earning depends on learning.